In this video, I'm going to show you how to create meme video using VIGGLE AI. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open a browser on your desktop or laptop, then searching for VIGGLE. Then as you can see, here is first URL VIGGLE.ai. Then click on VIGGLE and it's open website, and here is controllable video generations. Then click on join the beta Discord. So click here to open another window to visit Discord. So after that, you need to accept invite. If you don't have Discord account, you need to create and log in Discord account. Then in this site, here is lots of animations, and select any of these. Like I'm selecting animate 15. Click here, and as you can see here, showing lots of video, people creating their video using VIGGLE AI. But I'm going to create a specific one, like this stage one, like this video. As you can see, this video is So for that, as you can see, here is down message options. Press on your keyboard slash, and here's open lots of category, but select animate. Here it is. So select, and you need to upload a photo to create AI photo or video. So click on and select your selected photo from your computer, like this one, and click on open. And then you need to enter motion prompt. So here is motion prompt for this video, $ Lil Yachty stage enter. You need to copy that and just paste here. Then background, select background. Here is 3 different options: white, green, and from template. So we're creating that mimicry video. So select from template. Then last option is fine tune. Then select turn on. So on, and then hit the enter on your keyboard. So it will create that video. So if you not find that created video here, you need to wait a little moment. And then here is top right corner is search box. Click here and select from user. Then enter your username, like mine one is like, and click. So as you can see, that video created, and click on that video, it's open. Downloaded on your computer, downloaded folder. So let's check. Open this PC, then download folder. As you can see,